Yo dudes! Welcome. Great to have you again. We're really delighted. Superfood flapjacks, these are amazing. Mom used to make flapjacks when we were kids and we made them to school, and this is a recipe from our new book, the international best-selling plug, yes, Recipes for Happiness. Thanks to anyone who's bought it. Right, so here we go. First step you're gonna need is a food processor. So we wanna make this high in antioxidants. We've dried mango. What volume on dried
50 grams.
50 grams of dried mango. Just chop it up first, because often dried mango can be a bit leathery, and your food processor won't really break it down that well and it can get stuck to it. So just give it a good old chop. Okay, you might be wondering why our apricots brown. These are
great question.
These are organic.
Can I answer that one?
Yeah, please, yeah.
These are organic apricots that are unsulfured. Unsulfured. So you know the way you get the white or the yellow apricots, they are, sulfur dioxide is used to keep them that bright yellow colour. So they have a kind of sulfury taste, whereas if you buy them organic, they're typically used with no sulfur dioxide to maintain them.
They're also softer and more jammy and gooier.
Yeah, tastier. Tastier, healthier, better product.
Yeah, if you can get it.
Okay, so Steve's chopping all that up. Meanwhile, I have a
70 grams of cacao butter.
Yeah, 70 grams of cacao butter. I've got some boiling water and I've put a bowl on it and we're literally just gonna melt our cacao butter. So cacao butter is like chocolate, you do it in a water bath like this.
Okay, time to get all our superfoods ready for our food processor. So we have 50 grams of chopped dried mango.
50 grams of chopped dried apricots. We have 70 grams of chia seeds. So chia seeds are great for brain function, full of omega-3. So really good to eat.
So we have 100 grams of pitted dates, pitted simply referring to the stone removed.
Let me just consult this incredible book and find out. Now, here we go. We have 100 grams of pitted dates.
Very good. If your food processor is not that strong, chop them up. This fella's a bit of a horse.
He's a beast.
So I'm just gonna pop them in whole.
Yeah, cool. Okay, we have, let me see here, 50 grams of goji berries.
50 grams, not 20, not 30, not 40, but 50. In they go.
We have 100 grams of nuts of choice. I found some walnuts. Once again, Stephen's not that smart, so walnuts are great for his brain and they keep him ticking over beautifully.
Thanks, Dave, that was good. 100 grams of pumpkin seeds.
Good man.
And last and final thing, we have some desiccated coconut. 50 grams?
50 grams, yeah.
50 grams of desiccated coconut.
But it's not actually the last, but I do appreciate your enthusiasm. We have vanilla extract.
Oh, nice. One teaspoon.
Boom.
So, lid on and welcome to the Blendy Blendy show. Blend. The thing to note here is you want to blend until there's a bit of texture. So, kind of pull, so you don't want it to hit a kind of homogeneous big lump. Okay, so you'll see this wonderful texture. You see there is still a good bit of bite. Goji berries are kind of half their volume, maybe pumpkin seeds are somewhat cut down. Looks great, vibrant, colourful, boom.
Really fantastic. Okay, so take a little tea towel or something and remove our melted cacao butter. So that's 70 grams of cacao butter. I did it in a big bowl so then I can add everything into it.
So in goes all our wonderful superfood goodies. The main function of the cacao butter is that it's going to form the binding agent. Cacao butter goes solid at room temperature and that's going to hold it all together.
So the really important now is just to mix it right the way through it so that every little bit of it is covered in a little bit of cacao butter. Okay, so we've simply lined a small little flapjack tray.
You're doing a great job there, Dave.
So I guess these are superfood, kind of incredibly nutritious flapjacks. These would be great if you go to school or college or to work to take with you, or if you've got kids, great for them to bring to school as well.
So here Dave's using the back of a spoon just to level it out so it's all smooth and the same height so that no one gets a bigger slice of flapjack.
So there's no cribbing.
Yeah. We've melted 200 grams of dark chocolate on a bain-marie. We've gone with 54% cocoa solids.
Bain-marie, in case you're wondering, it's really just melted the chocolate using a water bath method. But use it in the microwave or do whatever makes most sense to you. Make sure and try not to dribble it on the
water, that is.
The water, yeah. So here we go. You ready for it? Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, I love this bit.
Beauty.
Oh. So the function of chocolate is obviously to add more decadence and party to it. If you do want to make them refined sugar-free, use the refined sugar-free chocolate.
So spread the chocolate on top and we'll pop in the fridge and leave it set for about 15 minutes or so.
They've been in the fridge for about 15 minutes, just until the cacao butter has gone solid and the chocolate on the top is ready to go.
Okay, here we go.
Superfood flapjack time. Oh, look, these.
Boom! Okay, now quick sales pitch, quick plug. Okay, so big shout out to anyone who's bought our book. It's an international bestseller. Woohoo! And vegan, 100% vegan. It's also, we call it Recipes for Happiness because we've got a whole section on what makes us happy, which is quite fun.
So we talk about movement, we talk about managing, how we manage our heads, we talk about obviously food, and the power of community and sleep and things like this.
Look, quick pause from Dave's
thanks.
plug. Look at these, look at the colours, they're beautiful.
They're really bright, they're very vibrant. They remind me of the flapjacks we used to have as kids. Mum used to make kind of old school ones with oats and butter based ones. So these
But you certainly didn't have them with mango and goji berries.
Look at the colours.
Chia seeds.
Brilliant. Okay, next level flapjacks, gluten free, made of nuts and seeds, in honour of you. Huh.
Beautiful, no? Real substantial. Like, for something super healthy, they're really tasty. Like,
It's really easy to make as well.
It tastes really substantial. It tastes like I'm eating something decent, you know that way.
They're very good. It's my daughter's birthday party on Sunday. I might make them for that.
Yeah, perfect. Dudes, highly recommend making these. Take your flapjacks to the next level.
Thank you for watching. Great one, as I said, for lunch, for university, for school, for college, whatever you do. They're from a new book. Thanks to everyone who's bought it. Really appreciate it. Spreading the vegan love. And cheers.
Bye.